Today we will start the inverse of a matrix. In inverse of a matrix, we will do first shortcut method. In shortcut method, if A is given to you, first row is AB and second row is CD, then you have to find the inverse of this. Then A inverse will be, you will get 1 upon AD minus BC. AD minus BC, how we get? AD is the cross multiply. AD is we multiply, BC we multiply these two. So you will multiply. Next is we will get this. How we get? A and D you will interchange. Interchange you will do. D will be above and A will be here. Now remaining elements you will do negative. This you will do negative. You will get the matrix. This matrix is a inverse matrix. Here example you will take. Example is 1, minus 1, 2 and 3 and you have to find the inverse of this matrix. How we can find the inverse of this? Look here. By this you will find the inverse, that A inverse will be equal to 1 upon cross multiply 3 1 are 3 minus 2 and these elements you have to interchange. So 3 and 1. Interchange these. Remaining elements you do the opposite sign. So minus 1 will be 1 and 2 will be minus 2. Now you solve these, you get 1 upon 5 and 3 minus 2, 1 and 1. Now you write the matrix by 1 upon 5, you get 3 upon 5, 1 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 5. These you will get. Okay. Now here we have to verify that this A inverse is inverse of this. How we can verify? Look here. Here if this, how we can verify? This type we verify that if you multiply A into A inverse, you should get I. Then only we can say this A inverse is inverse of A. Here A is 1, 2, minus 1 and 3. A inverse is 3 upon 5, 1 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 5. You multiply means this row you have to multiply by this first column, this second row, this column. This should equal to I means 1, 0, 0 and 1. Means if you get left hand side equal to right hand side, it means you can prove here that this A inverse is inverse of this matrix. First row, first element is 1 into 3 by 5 is 3 by 5. Minus 1 and minus plus 2 upon 5. Next is 1 into 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5. Then 2 into 3, 6 by 5. 3 into 2, minus 2, minus 6 by 5. Remaining 2 into 1 by 5, 2 upon 5. 3 upon 5. This you will solve. You will get 5 upon 5. You get here 0 upon 5. You get 0 upon 5. You get 5 upon 5. That you can write 1, 0, 0 and 1. That is your right hand side. Means here this answer is correct. Hope you understand this today's work. And this in matrices we are doing the inverse of matrix A, and for the inverse of matrix A we will use here shortcut method. And what is the shortcut method? Look here first. Here A is matrix is given. Here first row is 2 minus 6 and second row is 1 and 2, and you have to find A inverse. How we can find A inverse? First you will write 1 upon the cross product of these two. Cross product is 2 to the 4 minus, and the cross product of these two will be minus 6. And then we will interchange this. Interchange means we will get same as it is, and these remaining elements you will change the sign. Minus 6 will become plus 6 and this 1 will become minus 1. Now you will solve. This is get 1 upon 10 and these you write as it is, and then these all number you divide by 10. So when you divide by 10, 2 by 10 is 1 by 5, 6 by 10 is 3 by 5, minus 1 by 10 and this you get 1 by 5. So hope you understand this solution. This is a second question, and here we have to find the inverse. So when you write this is equal to a equal to is given to you, you have to find here a inverse, and a inverse 1 upon 6 minus minus plus 6, and these you have to interchange, remaining you have to do negative. So you will get, but here you get 0, and every number if you divide by 0 means you get infinity. This infinity into any matrix is infinity, okay, that you get infinity. Infinity means not defined. So if you have the cross product is infinite, means you will say that the inverse we cannot find, inverse is not